Hi everyone. Hopefully your preparation is going well. These are the questions we are going to try in today's episode. These questions are the first three questions we discuss after introducing the basics of inequalities in our courses at Mathoratory. The solutions have been taken from our class videos. If you have tried these questions, then go ahead and watch the solutions and discussion related to it, which will be starting right away. And if you have not tried it, we'll recommend you to try it once before you watch the solutions. Before we start discussing the solution, let me take a moment to introduce some fascinating courses at Mathoratory. Simply visit our website and check the plethora of options we provide for CAT, GMAT, and other aptitude test preparation. We strongly believe in providing flexibility and convenience to students as per their requirements. You will have an option to either take a full course or learn exactly what you need to. For instance, if you plan to prepare one-to-one live with mentor, you can book sessions for only doubt clearing or even just for analyzing your mocks. Even for CAT preparation, if you don't need the one-to-one guidance, the mocks, the mock analysis, the workshops, or the GDPI, which are actually included in the comprehensive course, and you just want to train for specific topics of your choice, then simply select a capsule from these numerous options which are available to you. It will cover everything from basics to all variations and applications of the topic under study. Take a trial or book a demo with us and select the course which best suits your needs. Let's now continue with today's video and enjoy the solution and discussion related to it.
It's a pretty straightforward, which is actually a cat question sometime back. Which of the following has a minimum possible value? X is minus half. Any power of 2 will be positive. X square will anyhow be positive here. 1 by x will be negative, and 1 minus x square, because x is something fractional. So x square will also be fractional. So when you do 1 minus x square, that would be a positive value. So all of these are positive, A, B, and D. Only negative value here is C. So that should have the minimum value anyhow. That's all. When it comes to inequalities, just keep two things in check always. One is the magnitude and the other is the sign. We are looking for which of the following will have the least minimum value. So each of these expressions will have minimum values, right? Now, out of those minimum values, which one will have the least minimum value? That is the question. Now, we can quickly eliminate some of the options. B and D should be straight away eliminated. These two are not possible because for both B and D, the minimum value will itself be a positive number. And we are trying to find the least minimum value. So as long as the minimum value is negative, that will be a lower minimum, right? Now, coming to A and C, there's something which is similar in A and C. So you have x square into y and you have 5x into y. Let me put it in this way. So the y is anyhow common. You have the same power of y for both of them. So you can eliminate the y part because y will make it negative, of course. But which one will be having the lower minimum? If we think about the number line, if you consider 0 here, on whichever side, I mean, or either on the right side of 0 or left side of 0, if you move away from 0, you're actually increasing the magnitude. And if you are moving towards 0, you're actually reducing the magnitude. Left is smaller and right is bigger, right? That much is common throughout. It doesn't matter with 0 anyhow. But on the left hand side of 0, if we try to reduce the value, we will try to increase the magnitude, right? Because we are moving away from 0. You can also test out with numbers -5, -3, -5 is smaller. So we are looking to minimize the value here as low as possible. So out of x square and 5x, what should we be looking for? We are looking for a higher magnitude or lower magnitude? We are looking for a higher magnitude, right? Because as high the magnitude will be, that much low value this will become. Because y is anyhow making it negative. If you look at this now, you have x square here and you have 5x here. X square is like x into x, right? And this is like 5 into x. Now x cannot be as high as 5 anyhow because the range of x is from 2 to 3, or rather lying between 2 and 3. So if x can never be as high as 5, so obviously this is going to have a high magnitude. So the answer is 5xy. Same idea, the magnitude and sign idea here. So we'll keep this idea in mind. I'll just redraw the number line. So when you have 0 here, increase in magnitude on the right hand side will lead to increase in the value, and increase in magnitude on the left hand side will lead to a lowering of the value. So we are looking for the range of W here, which is V into Z by U. We are looking to minimize and maximize. Let me put it in that way. If I have to find the maximum value, first of all, our target to in order to maximize, first of all, we'll try to make it positive as far as possible, and then keeping the value positive, we will try to increase the magnitude so that the value is maximized. So in this case, if you look at it, U is always negative, Z is always negative. So the only way we can change the sign of W is by using V, isn't it? Now, if you look at this Z by U part, so if I look at this section, we will try to maximize this section first of all. Okay, we'll just keep directly maximize this as far as possible. So Z by U maximized, we will try to keep the magnitude of the numerator higher and the magnitude of the denominator lower. Only the magnitude. Okay, don't think about the sign and all. The magnitude of Z higher and the magnitude of U lower. So what is the highest magnitude of Z that we have? 2, or rather -2, the value that is for Z. The lowest magnitude of U that is available to us is -0.5. So we'll substitute -0.5. You can see this, it's already positive, right? -2 and -0.5, that itself is making it positive. So in order to keep the value, the value of W as positive, we will keep V positive here. And again, we'll try to keep the highest magnitude for V as in order to maximize the value. So we'll keep the value of V as 1. That is the highest magnitude of V available to us on the positive side. So what is the maximum value coming out to be? 4. Similar idea, if we go with the minimum, again, in order to minimize this, as far as possible, we'll make this negative. And it is possible to be made negative, right? V can be taken as negative again. So in the negative side, in order to reduce the value, we are looking to minimize, so hence reduce. In order to reduce the value, we again have to increase the magnitude, right? So you have to do the same process. We have to actually increase the magnitude, not decrease the magnitude. So in order to do that, again, same idea. Z will be -2, U will be -0.5. And in this case, again, V will be the highest magnitude, but on the negative side, because we are trying to minimize the value of W and hence trying to make it negative. So -1. So the minimum is -4. Minimum -4, maximum +4.
Hopefully you liked the solutions we provided for these questions. And if you did like it, do not forget to like the video and share, subscribe, and comment. And if you plan to prepare with us in a structured manner, then do check the courses in our website. In the CAT comprehensive course, you will not only be prepared for each topic for CAT, XAT, NMAT, SNAP, IFT, but you will also have a one-to-one guidance and doubt clearing throughout your preparation. The workshops, mocks, and sectional tests will prepare you for strategy and decision making in the tests. The GDPI VAT preparation is also included in the course, making it a one-stop preparation hub for CAT and other management entrance tests of India. Take a trial of this course and check the way we have trained before you make the actual purchase. For both CAT as well as GMAT, we also offer the option to attend the classes live and one-to-one with mentor. Depending on whether you are preparing for CAT or GMAT, check the relevant course among these two. You will have the option to take the full course or customize the sessions as per your requirement. For instance, you may purchase the hours for just doubt clearing or mock analysis or any specific topic. Simply book a demo with us and have an experience of our one-to-one sessions. We also have mini courses, which we call the capsules, customized for you to select specific areas and train yourself. For each specialized area of training, you'll be trained everything from basics to all types of applications and variations of that particular topic. If you are looking to strengthen your understanding of specific areas of any section, which are tested in CAT, GMAT, or any other aptitude tests, then this will be the perfect course for you. Each capsule will have video lessons as well as practice sets covering all areas of that topic with video explanation of each question that are discussed in the practice sets. Every course at Mathoratory is designed to provide flexibility and complete support as per students' requirement. We will always be there to guide you and help you prepare as best as we can. Simply visit our website and check the relevant course. Book a demo with us or take a trial of the course and make the right choice as per your need. Thank you for joining in and have a pleasant preparation ahead.